Welcome, good to see you all again. So, hope everyone are doing fine. Time to taste the food now. Let's see it.
Wow. Hi, greetings and vanakkam. We meet again. This is the first vegetarian, Hainanese vegetarian dish my Sifu and good friend Fong Kim Leong taught me. I hope you all like this dish. It's made from it's made using fermented soybean curd and vegetable to make a stir fry. If you all have not already subscribed to our channel, please do so that you can get updates from us. If you like this recipe, if you guys really like this recipe, please do try it out and have a nice day. Thanks for being with us. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.
Take 2 potatoes about 250 grams to 300 grams. Remove the skin. Wash and clean thoroughly in running water. Cut them into about half cm rounded slices. Boil some water in a steaming pan. Arrange the potatoes in a bowl and place them in the steaming pan. Cover and steam for about 10 minutes. I have here about 50 grams of romaine salad and about 70 grams of cabbage. These are some of the vegetables left over from yesterday's cooking. 3 layers of a medium-sized red onion. 2 garlic cloves chopped finely. 3 thin slices of ginger from a 3 cm root, julienne finely, and some slices of red chili for garnishing. 1 tablespoon each of light soy sauce and oyster sauce mix. 2 small cubes of fermented soybean curd, mashed and mixed with about 1 tablespoon of water. The fermented curd is already salty, so we don't need to add any salt for this stir fry. And it's also lightly spicy. Once cooked, remove the potatoes and keep them aside. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a saucepan. Add in 1 garlic clove finely chopped. Stir in half the julienne ginger pieces. Now we shall stir in the light soy sauce and oyster sauce mix. Add in 1 cup of water to the mixture. Remove it when the sauce mix comes to a boil. We shall now prepare the veggie stir fry using the fermented salted soybean curd. In the hot pan, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Stir in the remaining finely chopped garlic. Stir in the roughly cut onion petals, followed by the pieces of cabbage leaves. Stir and mix and saute the pieces of onion and cabbage so that it's coated well by the chopped garlic pieces. Throw in the romaine lettuce leaves. Add in the fermented soybean curd. Give a quick stir and remove from the stove. Garnish it and we have another awesome cook for two contemporary curry classic dish. Try it out this weekend.